Well, good morning. Thursday, October 3rd, 2024. Oi. Off to fun times today. This is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope everybody's having a blessed day and an easy work week. And good food. Got kind of cut off a little yesterday. Had somebody walk in as I was videotaping and had to cut off fast. That happens when you're over there at the Evil W. Anyway, yeah. Got through with yesterday and yeah, had to go out and try to get the tire fixed. That didn't work. They changed the tire. They rebalanced the tires. Didn't change it. It still did it. So I ended up getting 2 new tires. And it helped, but there's still something there. I'm thinking the rim is warped. So, yeah. I've got a new rim. I'm going to have him put it on. Probably I'll go back Friday morning, because I got to drive all the way down there, so my new tire is going to have a wobbly. And I got a stray mustache hair trying to tickle my nose. But yeah, I'm going to be packing up here shortly, because it's about 4:30 in the a.m. I need to be leaving here in about 2 hours, so I can be down there. Well, go get gas, go get something, to travel with, snack, probably a bag of chips. I don't know. Anyway, I don't know. I don't know. I'll figure something out. I'm hungry, and I'm going to eat before I leave here. But by the time I get there and do the first thing, and then get over and do the second thing, snipping and clipping on the back parts, yeah, and then head back this direction. Yeah, it's going to be a long day. But I'm planning on I'm going to carry my camera with me. There's a camera shop there. And I'm going to try to go to that camera shop and see if I can get an adapter for my lens to a new camera. Because I got some real good lenses. I just don't want to spend any extra money on a camera if I don't have, on a camera lenses, new ones, when I got good ones that work right here. So I am thinking about trying to get a camera if they can have an adapter that'll accept these lenses. So I'm going to carry these lenses over to a camera shop before I head over there, because they're supposed to open up at 10. And they'll give me about an hour or so to, an hour and a half before I have to head to and be there for 12 o'clock. Yay! I don't want to go to the second part, but the first part's okay. I don't know. It is what it is. And trying to get it figured out, it'll be, fun stuff. But I don't want to spend more money than I have to. It's part of that thing. And I can tell you, having to spend money to get the 2 tires fixed. And I might have to go back this week and get another rim. I already have a rim. It's in my trunk of my car on my spare. I don't do donuts. I don't know about you, but I don't like donuts on my car. So every time I get a car that has a donut, I buy a rim and put a new one of my old tires on it, and have that as a spare. Scary thing is my spare tire is actually in better shape than what my rear tires were. Yeah. Problem is the way I drive, I'm not easy on tires or brakes. That's something I'm trying to learn to be less aggressive at. I do drive defensively, but with an offensive base. Or should I say I drive with a defensive base offensively? I don't know. All I know is I got to do something with this. It vibrates enough. I'm hoping that it's not that bad on the trip up there and back. Because, well, I don't know about you, but yeah, it's going to be a fun day. Anyway, get that taken care of. Go down there, get that, and then come back. I don't know if I get back here early enough, I might try to do laundry too. I was going to try to do it yesterday, but, well, 2 cycles through the tire shop. Yeah, didn't work out well. So, between that and everything else, you know, groceries and, yeah. Why is it there always seems to be more stuff to take up your time than you have time to take and do? I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to be going to Lubbock, getting this taken care of, getting back here and trying to call it a day, and then turn around and go back to the tire shop and get things done there. Because, hey, yeah, I got to spend money I don't want to spend. It is what it is. I just don't like the fact that it's having to come out of pocket on that. Yeah. Oh well. It could be worse. But hey, life goes on. Anyway, this is William from Williams, Philippines. I hope y'all are having a blessed day. And we will see you again tomorrow. Oh, and yeah, that was something else I was going to say. Somebody asked me, you know, about my posting. Yes, I intend on posting daily. It's kind of what I'm doing here. It's not all clipped up and edited. It's just as long as it is, somewhere between, I figure, 5 and 15, 20 average, somewhere between 10 and 20 average. I don't usually have ones that are too shorter than 10, but I do have on occasion some that do go as long as 30 minutes. So somewhere, yeah, probably around 15 minutes plus. But yeah, I don't do editing on these. I'll do some editing on other things as I do go through. Yeah. And yeah, I don't do a lot of editing now. I don't have a lot of time to sit down and spend a couple hours trying to watch and then video edit things right now. So I'm just putting out straight run little vids, me bobbleheading, and as I get closer to getting things taken care of and me out of here. Yes, I was looking, and you've got, basically, I've got, I'm into 8 months, just barely. The earliest checkout could be 8 months. I am definitely down to solid 9 and getting closer to under 9. So, yeah, depending on the day. I am so ready to get out of here. The end of June, early July. Again, the plane ticket's going to be cheaper if I wait till the 2nd of July or the 9th or 11th. I don't know why a couple days after didn't drop down for past the 2nd, on like the 4th. I don't know why it didn't hold the same pattern as the week after it, but it is what it is. Yeah, they're having those expensive plane tickets. So yeah, right now it's looking more like it's going to be the first 2 weeks of July, somewhere in that area. Oh yeah, I'm ready to go though, because that's where the best plane tickets. But hey, if they drop down, I could leave out even earlier. Just depends on what the price, on the tickets is going to be. But I still got a couple of, well, probably 4 months before I even start to try to figure that out. It is what it is. Anyway, Williams, Philippines, I hope y'all are having a blessed day. Lots of food, easy week. I'm Fish, and Fish is out.